So we officially pulled up to the meet. It's literally 7:30, so a lot of people are already here, so that's pretty cool. So me and Rico have our spot. That's my This is Philip coming in clean. Let's do.
Not yet, bro. Not yet. Why are you telling them?
Dang, that's a clean picture right there. You guys are like posing. Huh,
I was gonna let you park right there, but like, man.
Oh yeah, thanks. Thanks a lot. Ooh, Chick-fil-A. Oh my god, he got his wrap, guys.
Huge ass roll.
Moment of truth, I'm gonna shine the light on it. Ooh, that's beautiful. I love it.
You gonna be nice move?
Yeah. How are you?
Good, you?
Good. Oh my god, it's a donut.
Well, at least you have like the wrap on it, so it didn't really.
So why'd you bring your color? Why is your color with you? Oh no, because I was cleaning up my room, and then
Michaela, when is your grandpa free to help me fix this?
Oh.
Oh god, that thing is fucked up.
I sanded it underneath. I just put it on like that.
Oh wait, so you wrapped over it?
Whoa.
I honestly thought it would look even worse. It doesn't even look bad.
No, I fixed it.
How did you fix it?
Did it? Whose drink is the one with the fries?
Okay, this is gonna be a food cam. Ready? Go.
Okay, whose drink is this?
Oh, I look fat with it.
Whose drink is this?
I want to ride a bike.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
The Mustang's pulled up.
Hi, Chris!
Ready?
Nope. Nope. No. It's all you. That's all
What's up,
them.
guys? It's Michaela Z with the big donut hole. Cheese. I'm with Jonathan. Wait, do you like to be called Johnny?
Pick it up.
Yeah, my friends can come.
Pick it up.
Okay, this is Johnny, guys. And this is... What's your name? Okay, and this is Tyrese. That's my buddy. So, me and him both dance. And sometimes you'll see us dancing, having a dance battle, right?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe. I was working.
And this is donut balls. Those are balls.
I'm grabbing one of my own.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about big. Oh, I hate my life. Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Wait. Period poo.
Wait, I don't know that one. You gotta be one I know.
Oh. Hey, stop that.
Is that how it goes?
I don't know. Wait, can you
never seen WAP?
do the renegade?
Oh, I forgot that one. Renegade. How does it go?
Ew. Bro, she just blew her hot ass breath at me. I smelled it through the mask.
Who gave
I'm
What does
just
it
kidding.
smell like?
Wait a second. Hold on. Michaela Z just came out?
Tell mommy I'll
Wait, hold on, hold on.
time.
What?
I'm gonna put angels on top.
Wait, this better not be going in your vlog. I don't want people here. Hey guys, it's Michaela Z. Welcome back to the vlog. Today we'll be wrapping my car. Not gonna tell you what the color is though, even though everybody else has seen it. But 1.5 wheel. I got two BMWs. Both of them don't run right. Well, one of them runs, but the one I usually drive is broken and it's on the side of my house, per usual. And then I have a fucking piece of shit truck. Fucking the kit. See on the camera kit. Just kidding. I'm gonna do a little ASMR. Wait, hold on.
I have a $2,000 BMW.
Yep.
ASMR. I love ASMR. Do you love ASMR?
I do. I like it when they're eating.
Yeah.
Or the sand ones, when they cut the sand. Have you ever seen those?
No.
You gotta find them.
Okay, ASMR over. Fuck. I wasn't even recording. Oh my god. So we're currently at Dunkin'. Why do we sound like...
Move, Frank.
Oh, my bad.
Come on! Air out, air out. Air out.
Oh, I'm not ready. Trying to battle me and I'm not ready.
If anything, like probably could they open it now? Close that 5. Close that 5? Well, yeah, I mean, if anything, I'm...
Get on him.
Alright, Frank! Go for it, Frank!
We all have to dance.
No, psych. I'm just a cameraman. What'd you say? No way!
Let's go.
I know you take actual dance classes. I don't. I wish only don't. I should, but I don't.
You learn on your own. Guys, welcome to Michaela Z's class. Stay tuned.
He knows how to do it too. Frankie, join in. Look, buddy. There.
Look at you.
Man, that's all you get. I can't dance.
Come on, you're wearing the jeans for it.
Bro, you are. They're not skinny. I used to have they gotta be like down here. Yeah, with the 3 different studded belts too. Trust me, I used to dress like that, dude. I know. I did too, and everyone was like, they were like, do you professionally dance like that? I'm like, no. They're like, why you dress like that? I'm like, because it's just my style.
We're doing one video.
I freak. Oh yeah. I win. Okay, damn. Bro, she hit that hello. That's a smoke effect.
Okay guys, so today was really fun. My camera's gonna die unfortunately, so we are just going to say goodbye.
She forgot to charge it.
And that's Ty. I think you guys should know him. But I'm just gonna end it. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. So I forgot, what do I normally say?
Like, subscribe, comment.
Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.
Later.
Later.
How do you forget?